So this is a very quick tutorial on how to put these origami pockets together. These pockets are available in my Etsy shop at Bluering Design Prints. If you want to use your own paper for this, just keep in mind that your paper should be 4 times longer than it is wide. So for these, this strip is 10 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. And this one I've already done, and so it's inked and everything. Yours won't have this ink on it, but you cut them out and then you fold it in half like that. And then if you're using cardstock, you should use a bone folder just to get really good creases. And then you open it up and you fold the right side over almost to the edge. The edge is right here, so not quite to the edge. And then you fold the left side over like that and then back on itself like that. And then use a bone folder to get really good creases. And then you open the whole thing back up and you fold the right side down, the right corner down almost to the edge. And you're gonna have a strip here. You're supposed to have that. So that's good to have that. And then on this side, you take this whole section and fold this corner down almost to the edge and get a really good crease on those. And then you just flip this up over and then tuck in the pocket. And then when it's tucked in, you're gonna have to kind of spoosh it around with your fingers a little bit just to make everything flat, and then use a bone folder just to get everything flat. If you didn't fold it perfectly or cut it perfectly, you might have some white here on the edge. You can just cut that off and then ink everything up. And you can make them, if you print it out at 100%, they are this size, which is 2.5 by 2.5 inches. But if you want some smaller pockets, you can print them smaller. This one I think is 60%. I printed at 60%, and this one I printed at 50%. So you can get all different sizes of pockets, and I've got a whole bunch of different combinations of patterns and colors in this kit. Go check it out on my Etsy, and like and subscribe for more junk journaling tips.